Hey guys, what's up? It's me Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be sharing you guys this look that I created right now. If you like to see how I created this look, so don't forget to watch it till the end. So now without wasting any much time, let's get started. So as you can see, I am bare face right now. I have nothing on my face. So let's get started with our makeup. So for moisturizer, I will be using this Nivea soft cream. After applying moisturizer, I am going to moisturize my lips. So for that I will be using this. So it has been quite some times. My moisturizer has settled on my face nicely. So now moving forward, base. So for base, I don't usually apply foundations on daily basis. Like, I don't like heavy base makeup. So for that I am only going to use my favorite concealer, and that is Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny. So that's it for my base, and for setting my face, now I am using this Lakme powder. Now I am going to quickly set my face before my concealer creases under my eyes. So yeah, that's it for my base. Now I am quickly going to apply blush. So for that I am going to tell you a little trick. Like, I know many of you already know that applying lipstick as a blush, right? It is very appropriate and easy sort of hack. So for that I am going to use this LE18 lipstick in the shade Selfie Red. So taking this not very much, just a little bit on my fingertip. That's it only. Now placing it very gently onto my apples of my cheek. A teeny bit on my nose. Blush provides you a healthy glow, so a dash on my chin. Now I am going to blend this using same beauty blender. So as you can see how healthy and glowing look it provides to your entire face just by applying a little bit on blush on your cheeks. So now moving forward to our base, now I am going to apply highlighters onto the highest points of my face. So for that I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Illuminator. This is in the shade 01 Light Pink. So I'm just taking a one drop that is sufficient for my entire face. So that's it. As you can see, now I'm going to blend this. So now I am gently going to apply it on the highest points of my face, like my nose, cupid bow, cheekbone, collarbone if you like. So in this I don't usually like to do my collarbones, just nose and cheekbones are enough for now. Can you look at this glow, how glowy this my face look right now? So now as applying highlighter has done, so now let's move forward to our eye section. So into our eye section, first I am going to fill my eyebrows. So for that I am going to use eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. I don't really fill my eyebrows often, so I just want to comb it using this spoolie and fill the gaps of my eyebrows. As you can see, that's it. Now I am going to brush it using its spoolie. So now our eyebrows has done. So now let's move on to our eyes. So for eyes I have decided not to go very glam, not to go very neutral, something in between in that. So for that I will be using this Jaclyn Hill's palette. So now I am going to create a golden brown golden kind of eye look. So for that I am going to use these When Above shade. So I am going to take the first shade as my transition shade to apply all over my lid. So as you can see, so now I am going to pick a brown shade to define my crease. I hope you can see this. So now I am going to pick a golden shade onto my fingers and applying it onto my lids. So I have picked this golden shade up. Now I am placing this on my lids. Can you see how pigmented this shade is? Same to the another eye. So I am going to take the same transition shade that I used before to mix the harsh line that has created by applying the golden eyeshadow, just blending it inwards. Now I am taking the another fluffy brush to all the harsh line that has created on my eyes. or to soften of the transition shade, you can say it also. Just blending everything together so it looks seamless with circular motion. So as you can see, I have done my eyeshadow. So now I am going to take that same brown shade. I am going to apply it on my lower waterlines. Now I am going to take that dark brown shade so that I can define my lower waterline. So as you can see, our eye makeup has completed now. So I will be right back after applying eyeliner and mascara off camera, because I can't do it on camera because my hands started shivering at that point. So I will be right back. So as you can see, I am back right now. I have applied my liner and mascara. So now let's move on to our lips. So for lips, I have two options. The one is as usual nude lips that everyone loves, and the second option that is everyone's favorite, that is bold red lips. So I'm not going to do bold red lips. So for that I will be going to do a nude lip with a tint of red into it. So for that I will be using this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Bombshell. Like, I swear I love this shade. I'm almost over this and I'm going to order the second tube really soon. So now let's apply it. Can you see how beautiful this shade is? So you can leave this look right here, but I am going to add a tint of red onto my lips. So for that I will be using that same Eliatin red lipstick in the shade Selfie Red. So I'm just taking this lipstick and dabbing very lightly onto my lips. That's it. So yeah, that's the complete look, you guys. So now I'm going to fix my hair and I will be right back. So yeah, that's it, my final look, you guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this look. So if you like my video or watching this video till here, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below what videos do you want to see next. So to see you soon into my next video. So till then, bye, take care and stay safe.